Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy shoes on your Nike account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in nike.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Nike website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, if you wish to buy shoes, hover over to the categories at the top, and from the appropriate category, just choose the shoes option, and you may also choose the various subcategories of shoes. After choosing the shoes category or your appropriate desired subcategory, you can browse through the various available products. When you find something that you like, you can go ahead and click on it, and you will now see the Add to Bag button. Go ahead and choose your size and click on Add to Bag, and this will now be added onto your cart. You can then click on the Checkout button, which will now take you into the checkout menu. Now from here, you will simply need to fill out all of your information for shipping, delivery, as well as your payment methods. Once you fill up all of these information, you may also add a promo code if you wish. And finally, click on Place Order after proceeding forward with your payment method. Once your payment method has been verified, your order will be placed and it will be delivered to you within the mentioned date. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy shoes using your Nike account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.